Want to change your team's uniform in eFootball but don't know where to find the option? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to change your home, away, or third kit in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the eFootball game on your device and wait for it to load completely. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the My Team option. Now, inside the My Team menu, you'll see the Uniforms option. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, you'll see your current 3 uniforms. To change one, simply tap the Change button next to the uniform you want to edit, just like I'm doing on the screen. A list of available uniforms will appear. Browse through them, pick the one you like, and confirm your selection. You can repeat the same steps for all 3 uniforms and customize your team's look however you want. Once you're done, your new uniforms will be saved automatically, and your team will wear them in your upcoming matches. It's a quick and easy way to give your team a fresh new look before you jump into a game. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your team's uniforms, kits, or jerseys in eFootball. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.